Getting older doesn't mean the adventure stops. It just means your back, knees, and wrists start negotiating with you before every ride. Today, we're counting down 5 comfortable Japanese touring motorcycles that riders over 50 absolutely love. These bikes are smooth, reliable, comfortable for long distances, and built for real-world riding, not showing off at a gas station parking lot. And trust me, number 1 is the motorcycle many riders buy and never sell. Let's get started. Number 5. Kawasaki Concours 14. The Kawasaki Concours 14 is what happens when engineers decide a touring bike should still scare sport bikes a little. This machine combines long-distance comfort with serious power, making it perfect for experienced riders who still enjoy twisting the throttle every now and then. Underneath the bodywork sits a massive 1,352 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine derived from the legendary Ninja ZX-14. But don't worry, this isn't some uncomfortable race bike trying to destroy your spine. Kawasaki tuned the power delivery to feel smooth, refined, and effortless at highway speeds. It's fast, yes, but it's civilized fast. Long-distance comfort is surprisingly good. The wind protection works well, the seat is roomy, and the riding position leans slightly forward without turning your wrists into pretzels. Plus, the shaft drive means less maintenance and more riding. Riders over 50 tend to appreciate motorcycles that don't require crawling around the garage floor every weekend with chain cleaner and bad knees. Now yes, the Concours is a big motorcycle. At low speeds, it reminds you of that pretty quickly. But once moving, it feels planted, stable, and confidence-inspiring. It's the kind of bike that makes 500-mile days feel easy. But if you think this Kawasaki is smooth, wait until you see the next motorcycle, because it may be one of the most underrated touring bikes Japan ever built. Number 4. Honda ST 1300. The Honda ST 1300 is basically a high-speed recliner with mirrors. This motorcycle was designed for riders who believe comfort matters just as much as performance. And honestly, after 50, they're absolutely right. Power comes from a silky smooth 1,261 cubic centimeter V4 engine that produces strong but manageable power. It doesn't feel aggressive or intimidating. Instead, it delivers smooth acceleration that makes highway riding feel effortless. The bike almost encourages you to keep riding farther than you planned. You stop for gas, stretch your legs, and suddenly realize you crossed 2 states without noticing. The comfort level is outstanding. Excellent wind protection, relaxed ergonomics, plush seating, and incredible highway stability make the ST 1300 a dream for long-distance riders. Honda engineered this thing to devour miles while keeping the rider comfortable. And thanks to shaft drive, maintenance stays refreshingly simple. Now, there's no denying the ST 1300 is heavy. Parking lot maneuvers can feel like wrestling a refrigerator wearing roller skates, but once underway, the balance is fantastic, and reliability? It's a Honda. These bikes routinely last forever with basic maintenance. But if you think Honda mastered comfort, Yamaha's next motorcycle might challenge that idea in a big way. Number 3. Yamaha FJR 1300. The Yamaha FJR 1300 is for riders who still enjoy a little excitement with their comfort. It's smooth, powerful, refined, and somehow manages to feel sporty and luxurious at the same time. Its 1,298 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine delivers effortless acceleration, but the magic is how controlled everything feels. The throttle response is smooth, the wind protection is excellent, and the bike feels incredibly stable at highway speeds. Whether you're cruising through the countryside or passing traffic on the interstate, the FJR feels composed and confident. Older riders especially love the balance this bike strikes. It's comfortable enough for cross-country touring, but still agile enough to keep things fun. The electronically adjustable windshield, heated grips on many models, and shaft drive system make ownership easy and enjoyable. This is the kind of bike that quietly turns riders into long-distance addicts. Of course, it's not as relaxed as a giant cruiser-style tourer. The riding position is slightly sportier, and riders with knee or back issues may prefer something more upright. But for experienced riders over 50 who still want a little adrenaline mixed into their touring life, the FJR 1300 is incredibly hard to beat. And speaking of comfort, the next motorcycle on our list feels less like a motorcycle and more like your favorite living room chair on wheels. At number 2, Suzuki V-Strom 650. The Suzuki V-Strom 650 may not be the flashiest motorcycle in the world, but that's exactly why experienced riders love it. This bike doesn't care about impressing people at coffee shops. It cares about surviving cross-country road trips without destroying your lower back. Powered by Suzuki's legendary 645 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, the V-Strom delivers smooth, predictable power that feels friendly and relaxed. It's not intimidating. It's not twitchy. It's the kind of motorcycle that quietly becomes your best friend after a few thousand miles. And honestly, at this stage of life, reliability starts sounding a lot sexier than horsepower. Comfort is where the V-Strom shines. The upright riding position keeps pressure off your wrists and shoulders, while the wide handlebars make the bike easy to control even at low speeds. The seat height can seem tall at first, but once moving, the balance is excellent. Plus, the wind protection is surprisingly good for a middleweight touring bike. Now, hardcore adventure riders might complain that it's not aggressive enough off-road, but let's be honest, most owners are far more likely to ride to a barbecue restaurant than through the Amazon rainforest. And for real-world touring, this bike is fantastic. But the number one bike on this list? It's the king. The legend, the motorcycle every touring rider eventually ends up considering. Number 1, Honda Goldwing. Come on, you knew this was coming. The Honda Goldwing is the ultimate touring motorcycle for riders over 50. It has been carrying riders comfortably across entire countries for decades, and Honda has refined this machine into something unbelievably smooth, comfortable, and easy to live with. The flat-six engine is pure magic. It's smooth to the point where it almost feels electric. There's barely any vibration, power delivery is effortless, and highway cruising feels completely relaxed. Riding a Goldwing can spoil you very quickly. After spending a few hours on one, suddenly every other motorcycle feels noisy, cramped, or unnecessarily dramatic. Then there's the comfort. Massive seats, heated grips, huge luggage capacity, excellent wind protection, premium electronics, and incredible highway stability make this motorcycle feel more like a luxury touring car than a bike. Riders joke that the Goldwing is so comfortable it can ruin your desire to ride anything else. Yes, it's expensive. Yes, it's massive. And yes, parking one sometimes feels like docking a yacht. But once moving, few motorcycles on Earth feel this balanced and confidence-inspiring. For many riders over 50, the Goldwing isn't just their favorite motorcycle, it becomes their last motorcycle. And that's the list. Which one would you ride across the country tomorrow? Would you take the sporty Yamaha FJR 1300, the luxurious Royal Star Venture, or the legendary Honda Goldwing? Let us know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and join us for more motorcycles built for real riders who still love the open road. Ride safe, stay comfortable, and we'll see you in the next adventure.